Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I'm going to start off with, I'm taking this crock pot to work tomorrow. I've got it out to remind me. I'm going to take those 2 things of beans to work tomorrow and the 2 things of rutabaga tomorrow, and I'm going to put them in the work refrigerator. I'll send out an email to our building to say, hey, if anybody wants a side to your meal, then I've got some cowboy beans and rutabaga salad in the refrigerator or in the crock pot. Anyway, so I'll send out an email and that'll help me finish up the stuff. We'll see how much comes back. I may have to do it 2 days. I don't know. Wednesday, I'm going to Jefferson City for a training. See, I'll show you all on my little Missouri map. My little cutting board Missouri map. Now remember, I am right here. It's Cape Girardeau. So we travel up 55, go around St. Louis. We go on 270 to 70. And then we go over. And then, let's see, right here. And then we come down to Jefferson City. There's an exit that we go down. I can't remember. Kingdom City. We go over to Kingdom City, which isn't on here. And then we go south. And we go to Jeff City. It'd be nice if there was just a straight shot, but that doesn't make enough sense in the world. So up 55, take 270, and then 70, and then down to Jeff City. And that's where I'll be on Wednesday. So because of that, I went to Walmart, and I picked up a couple bags of chips. They just really travel well. It gives me something to nibble on at the place whenever they're having all kinds of snacks. We're going, it's just a day trip, so, so the dogs will be at home. That's not a big deal. I'll just let the neighbors know so that way they don't hear a bunch of barking and think something wild is going on. So I got my salad here. I made these up. And where's my little scale? Okay. So we're going to put on, let's see, I put on my little thing. I do about 60 grams of tomatoes. All right, so 60 grams of tomatoes. And I did not have rutabaga. I actually finished out my carrots. The one you're going to see tomorrow was from last week. So now we're going to add some jicama. I don't know. Let's see what we add. All right, so we'll add 60 grams of jicama. And let's see, what else do we have here? Jicama, we did tomatoes. Zero it out. Do these. These are some bell peppers. You know what song is stuck in my head? It's a silly, and I do not even have a clue why. I don't know. I haven't been watching any Bugs Bunny cartoons or anything, but Bugs Bunny has been living in my head rent-free for about the past 2 weeks. But the song I have in my head is, "What's up, Doc? We really mean it. What's up, Doc? We really mean it. Something and something, something. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. What's up, Doc?" I have no earthly idea why, but the Bugs Bunny songs have been living in my head recently, like pretty hard. All right, just a little bit more of these pickled veg. And there we go. You know, I know sometimes people will say, "I can't believe you eat that much food, and I don't know how you're able to maintain and eat that much food." Well, it's at this stage for me, not for everybody else, because I am kind of in the mostly healed process. I don't have to do this right here is not a whole lot of calories. It's a lot of food, but it's a lot of vegetables. And this right here I would guesstimate about maybe 200 calories of vegetables. So I know it does. It's a lot. Absolutely, it's a lot. And you know, while I was in weight loss mode, if you go back and look at those videos, they were not this big, okay? But now, because when I went into maintenance mode, I had to add, well, let's see, at my lowest calories, whenever I was 1,400 calories. And now I'm anywhere from 21 to 2,200 calories. So, you know, so I had to add back calories because I had lost some more weight after reaching my goal. So, you know, yes, you're right. I do eat a lot of food, but it's, you know, I eat a lot of vegetables. And the vegetables that I stick with are pretty low calorie. I can tell you, so just to start off with, 100 grams of cabbage, 60 grams of onions, and 60 rutabaga was only 71 calories. So that's it. So then I just added in some more onion, peppers, and cucumbers and tomatoes. So that's what I say, this whole thing was probably around 200 calories. And the dressings that I use, you all see it's the G. Hughes dressing. And those are not his dressings because these are even lighter. It's like 10 calories for a serving of his marinades. So 10 calories, and then I water it down. So it's only 5 calories. So that's what I am eating, and that's how it's working because, like I said, it's probably about 200 calories in this container right here. Maybe 250. And so what you're looking at, the bulk of my meal then is, hang on, the bulk of my calories comes from my main portion, which is usually this right here. So, and my breakfast is usually about 300-400 calories, I guess. So I've got yogurt and cottage cheese right here. That'll be breakfast. And then I've got my turkey sausages. So those will be in there. And then, let's see. This is the hicka salad that I made this weekend. So I'm going to last week, I'm going to set this aside because I'll have that for supper tomorrow. So my options are ground beef with a nice chunk in it. Or what is this? Steak. I have not had steak in a long time. So we're going to save the ground beef for the hicka salad, and we're going to do with the steak. Now, I'm sure Terri of Meal Prep Day seasoned these, but Terri today is going to put just a little bit more of this farm dust on it. Farm dust seasoning. So, so that's what I'm taking for my lunch tomorrow. So it's pretty quick and easy. I got some gum in here to take to add to my, I'm about to run out of this at work. And I'm going to put in a couple apples. This is the last of my piddly apples. I had to throw another one away today. For my coffee, I enjoyed the Keurig, but this is my last one of my already made up coffees. So I'm going to go on and add my syrup to it, and then I'll add some water to it. And then in the morning, I'll be sipping on my coffee. This is my coffee with electrolytes and some syrup. So I'll add water to it. And I'll close it up. Make sure that lid's good and tight. Shake it up. And then put it in here. And so this is my breakfast and lunch tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, I have Bible study tomorrow evening, which is good. I'll be eating this fast, my hicka salad, and my ground beef. I don't know what I'll do to it tomorrow, but I may just make a burger or burger in a bowl. I have no idea what I'll do tomorrow. We will figure that out tomorrow. When tomorrow comes, we'll deal with it tomorrow. So, okay. Now that's it. That's my prep for tonight. So I'll see you in the morning. Oh, look. I got my Paul Jamma shirt on. I was cold. It's the first thing I grabbed. Look at that. Look at that. And we got Lou and Sammy and Baxter and Callie. And me and my hair. I love the gray hair in it. Okay. Oh, they heard me saying their names, so they come running. These kids. Okay. Okay, bye. We really mean it. What's up, Doc? Come on now, you kids got to remember it. What's up, Doc? We really mean it. What's up, Doc? We really mean it. What's up, Doc? Da 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 da. Bugs Bunny was our hero when we were kids. Hey there, so I've got my yogurt and cottage cheese. I'm gonna mix this up. I don't know what flavor it is. I just put them all into a bowl. I did all of them. I just dumped in my little cottage cheese thing, or my little already made yogurts and some cottage cheese. Maybe blueberry. I don't know. And then I got my, that's how I eat them. I usually leave them in there. I just eat them cold out of the bag. That's my breakfast. To get lunch. Well, if you're paying attention, you notice I forgot my spoon again. So thankfully, I have 1 spoon left. I'm going to have to, when I hang up, or when I get done with y'all, I'm going to have to put a spoon in. And I'll have to put like an alarm or something to tell me to take my spoons, take a couple more spoons to work. But Yep. I brought those beans and put them in a crock pot here at work. People are eating them. And I brought those two containers of Vega salad, and one of them's gone. And I got one left, and I got me some too. If I'm gonna bring some, I'm gonna eat it. So, I got my apples. So, alright. It's lunch. I'll see you at supper. So, supper tonight, I'm gonna finish up my hicka salad. And I've got my ground beef here. Since, you know, the hicka salad's was almost a little bit like a pasta salad. It's a little different than the Vega salad. Just have like a sweeter flavor and almost a little bit like a pasta salad. So anyway, so we'll have that and this. I'm gonna put a little bit. So since I'm gonna have that, I'm treating it kind of like a barbecue type situation. So we got us some barbecue sauce on here. And I'm doing something I don't usually do. I'm going to add a little cheese to my ground beef here. So this was original G. Hughes barbecue sauce and maple G. Hughes barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave for, wait a minute. Let's put a little of this on here. It's right here and quick. Some farm dust. All right, now I'm going to put this lid on it. I'm going to get this microwave and I'll get my fruit. Side note, I took 2 of these with Vega salad to work along with the beans. The beans are gone, so I don't have any beans left. And then I've got about, I don't know, I'll say not quite a full serving of this because, you know, to me, I eat a lot of it. Sorry, that's Lou in the background hacking. Sorry if you're eating. But anyway, so I got that much Vega salad from the weekend. So I'll nibble on that along the way and get that going. Okay, I'm going to get this all mixed up. So tomorrow's Tuesday, and I'm going to try to make myself get ready slow enough that I can take the dogs to daycare tomorrow. And then that way, Wednesday I go to my work meeting in Jefferson City. So the dogs will be home. It's just a one-day thing, and the dogs will be home, but they're going to be out and about in the yard, meaning because I can't leave them locked up for about 15 hours. I can't leave them locked up in my house for that long. So tomorrow my plan is to take them to daycare, so that way maybe they'll burn off a little bit of that excess energy. So then by the time they Wednesday comes along, they will be a little bit worn down. So anyway. Okay. So let's give this a taste. We have our cheesy barbecue sauce. Our cheesy, beefy barbecue-y. I better have another bite. Make sure there's no bugs in it or anything. That spoon has cheese clung to it, so I'm getting a fresh one for our hicka salad. Our hicka salad, hicka salad. I wonder, you know, they have that Waldorf salad people make with apples. I don't know anything about it. I know I see it at family events, but I don't know if I eat it. I should do some research about that. Because with the hicka stuff, it's its own flavor. It doesn't, this does not at all taste like potato salad. It really has like a sweeter, because it's a sweeter flavor. Alright, so I'm having that. Then some fruit. So that's going to be my supper. Now, that's what I know. So, alright, I will. Oh, I didn't go to Bible study tonight. Got a tummy issue. I've been having cramps. Wouldn't that be some stuff? If after 2 years my period comes back, Lordy mercy, wouldn't that be a hot mess? 51 years old and all of a sudden I get my period. Please no. Please, please, please no. But anyway, so yeah. Oh, wouldn't that be something? So, alright. Anyway, so that's my supper. And yeah, I did not go to Bible study tonight because I don't know if the cramps are poopy cramps or period cramps. I guess we'll find out in a couple days. Alright, bye.